number 80, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Carroll, Columbiana, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscarawas, and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 80 has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Carroll, Columbiana, Holmes, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscarawas, and Wayne, and Avon Point to Willowick. The nearshore marine force. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, eastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio.
I have to turn this one back on, damn it.
In northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Cleveland Heights to near Macedonia, moving at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted Cleveland, Churton, Euclid, Heights, Solon, Twinsburg, Warrensville Heights,
doing it after
South Russell, Middlefield, Burton, Highland Hills, Chesterman, Garfield Heights, Shaker Heights, Maple Heights, South Euclid, Broadview Heights, Mayfield Heights, and East Cleveland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, Lake, Portage, and Summit. Flood warning remains in effect until tomorrow evening. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Eagle Creek at Fairbanks Station. When? Until tomorrow evening. Impacts at 11.0 feet. Barkley Messerly Road, McConnell East, and Knowlton roads will be flooded and impassable. Additional details at 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Saturday, the state was 7.9 feet. Forecast. 0.9 feet late.
Alright, well.
Flood stage early.
SVR. So yeah, I'm gonna move my Panasonic over here because it doesn't want to charge correctly. So I'm gonna move it over here. And then I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my WR120. No, wait. Hold on. Hold on a second. I'm just gonna keep my Panasonic like this. You can't really see any of my radios, but kind of just what I have to do because my Panasonic won't charge correctly. Actually, unless I move the charger, I'm going to keep it like this for now. And yeah.
thunderstorm warning for northern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, eastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near North Royalton to 7 miles west of Cuyahoga Falls to near Chippewa Lake, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Medina, Cuyahoga Falls, Brunswick, Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Streetsboro, Macedonia, South Russell, Middlefield, Garrettsville, Burton, Manaway, Stowe, Broadview Heights, Aurora, Brecksville, Hinkley, and Fairlawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, Medina, Portage, and Summit. Flood warning in effect from this afternoon to early Monday afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Killbuck Creek near Killbuck. When? From this afternoon to early Monday afternoon. Impacts at 15.0 feet. Several low-lying roads in Holmes County, including Township Roads 91 and 92 and County Road 621.
Why does my 250 isn't activating? Maybe the decoder's going out. Actually,
To a crest of 15.
I don't know. I mean, the reception's fine on it, but I'm gonna rearrange these around a little bit to get the best reception first. So for next clip, they're gonna be in different spots. So it's just for the reception. So don't worry.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Madison to near Chardon to near Twinsburg, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ashtabula, Conneaut, Geneva, North Kingsville, Middlefield, Kingsman, North Bloomfield, Orwell, Burton, Andover, West Farmington, Bristolville, Parkman, Huntsburg, Clarendon, Mecca, Austinburg, Montville, Kingsville, and Hartsgrove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Geauga, and Trumbull. Flood warning remains in effect until tomorrow evening. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Eagle Creek at Fairbanks Station. When? Until
How?
tomorrow evening. Impacts at 11.0
You didn't even...
feet.
What?
Messenger Road, McConnell
What the
East,
fuck?
and Milton Roads will be flooded.
That was
inaccessible.
random.
Additional details at 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. The stage was 7.9
Do I have
feet.
your...
Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a
This thing
10.9
has not gotten any alerts yet. So I'm gonna move it over here.
Flood stage early tomorrow
Hopefully it'll get
afternoon.
more alerts.
Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Flood history. This crest... Radar. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Erie and Conneaut. forecast for Cleveland and vicinity.